yogis! Today we are visiting a magical snowy kingdom! We will stretch with snowflakes, balance like icy crystals, and relax in the peaceful winter forest. Ready for our frozen adventure? Let's begin! One, snowflake pose. Stretch wide like a sparkling snowflake in the sky. Two, ice crystal stretch pose. Reach up tall like a shining ice crystal. Three, penguin waddle pose. Waddle slowly like a cute little penguin. Four, frozen star pose. Shine brightly like a magical frozen star. Five, icicle balance pose. Balance carefully like a long sparkling icicle. Six, polar bear pose. Be strong and steady like a gentle polar bear. Seven, crescent ice moon pose. Bend softly like a glowing winter moon. Eight, snow angel pose. Relax and stretch like a beautiful snow angel. Nine, chair ice throne pose. Sit strong on your magical ice throne. 10, snow mountain pose. Stand tall and calm like a snowy mountain. 11, frozen swan pose. Stretch gracefully like a beautiful winter swan. 12, aurora stretch pose. Move gently like colorful northern lights in the sky. 13, crystal butterfly pose. Flutter softly like a sparkling crystal butterfly. 14, ice warrior. Pose, be brave and powerful like a winter princess warrior. 15, sleeping snow princess pose. Now rest quietly in the peaceful snowy forest. Ending! Wonderful job, little yogis! You stretched through the magical winter kingdom and sparkled like snowflakes. See you on our next yoga adventure. Bye-bye!